two, one, two, three.
May we call in Pepsi Blitz, ICC, Dicer Fast and Furious, CST Butlers, and ABB Brewer.
In Healing Hands Foundation, an HR in King Saud University, a community leader both local and foreign community. The active and cute, let's all welcome the Masters of Ceremony, Mr. Panorama MJ.
Good evening, everyone. We would like also to welcome Mr. Abdulatif Almana, our ABB HR Supervisor. Let's give him a round of applause. We also have Mr. Omar Al-Amari, the ABB HR Manager. Welcome, sir. Tonight, we celebrate the teamwork and camaraderie of the company Al-Jumaih Bottling Plant's Basketball League Inter-Department Conference. Now I think the players are ready for the parade. Please welcome, without further ado, let's welcome the Pepsi Blitz! Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Please give a round of applause for one of our great team, Pepsi Blitz! judges, best in uniform, best in valor, and most disciplinary team. So please make straight lines so that you can be judged by our judges. Post, you will be judged with our famous judges. Coach, can you say something about your team? Well, any encouragement message or Tagalog, ano gusto mong sabihin sa mga team mo?
Good evening, everyone. To my team, please do our part and our very best. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck daw. Judges, is it okay? Alright. Now, our next team, may we call in Rai... Si Bernard pala. Siya pala nakalagay sa sa flyers. Kuya.
Hello. So we are showcasing, guys, our 3 sets of uniform. We are ABP Brewers. Okay, so magpapalit lang sila ng namin uniform, pang laban sa best in uniform. So, guys, we are ABP Brewers.
Lahat po ng mga team, gitna lang po tayo. Sir, urong po tayo ABP Brewers. Double time. Okay na po. Yan.
Mga judges, tingnan nyo yung may banner. Nanalo pa tayo sa dapat manalo ka sa facility.
Alright, now may we have the national anthem? Maraming salamat po. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much for providing the Filipino community with your basketball league. Thank you so much. Now, anyway, we will call in Mr. Bernard Santaya to give us the opening remarks. Mr. Bernard, would you mind to come, please?
Okay, so guys, I'm very thankful sa lahat ng sumali at nandito kayo kompleto. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you, Mr. Omar. Thank you, Mr. Abdulatif. Thank you po sa mga dumating. Judges, salamat po. Sir, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. At ang inaasahan mo lang po, simple lang, magsasaya tayo at lalaro. Okay, so I'm expecting to have fun, okay, excitement, and please, no one will be hurt here, okay? So let's play. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Bernard. Now, may we call in once again Mr. Abdulatif Almana. He's studying Kingston University and he is the ABP HR Supervisor. And of course, I think, is it the team manager for Pepsi Blitz? Palakpakan naman dyan!
In the beginning, I would like to have a moment for our friend Rajendar who was preparing for the event. Unfortunately, he died today during his preparation for this. So please have a moment with me of silence as a way of respect for him. Thank you, everybody. In this tournament, I wish you all to play clean, be professional, and hopefully may the best win. Without no further delay, I would like to introduce the AVP Human Resource Manager, Mr. Omar Lamari.
Good evening, everyone. You know, I'm really pleased to see such spirit and team spirit in my team, especially today. You know, tonight is a very special day of teamship and partnership and trying to win the gold. As you can see, we have a lot of awards. Thank you, Mr. Bernard, for having such variety. I would like to thank every captain of the team, every coach of the team, and every manager of the team. Also, I would like to thank everyone from the crowd who came to see such marvelous event. I wish you all the best of luck, and may the best team win.
Thank you so much, sir. Katakot naman yung manager niyo. Ang galing-galing naman nila, no? Isang pagandang palapakan naman dyan, guys. Binira yung mga ganyang klaseng Saudi na nagbibigay ng sponsorship sa iyo, lalo-lalo pang ganitong klaseng liga. Di ba, Sir Bernard? Now, Mr.
Guys, good evening. Makikisunod na lang. Pakitaas ang kanang kamay. I, Mark Lewin Makalingkang, do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere, and uphold all conditions, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game. In the spirit of belongings, peace, and community enjoyment with my fellow players and families. Now I therefore declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of a true sportsman. In thought, in words, and in deeds. So help me God. Hereby declare the Aljumay Battling Plan Basketball League Inter-Department Conference Season 5 open.
Thank you so much with the Blitz. Open na. So ready na kayo? Ready na kayo? Alright, so tapos na yung ano natin ha, mag-award na tayo sa mga best in uniform. Pero before tayo mag-award, kailangan natin naman malaman kung sino-sino yung mga judges natin. Palakpakan naman dyan mga kapatid! Is the BP membership of Philbar, the Filipino Volleyball Association in Riyadh, and he works at Samba Back. Without further ado, please welcome Mr. Don Juan Martin. Our second judge is a nurse from National Center for Vitality or Derma Clinic. Please welcome Mr. Brian Gadula. And our chairman of our judge is the president of the POPS organization working in Aljumay Company, the energetic and the cute president of POPS, none other than Mr. Charlotte Villones. Sir, let me call in the HR and to award the best. Alright, so we will have the darling of the crowd winner. Alright, would you mind to announce her? And the Oscar, sorry, hindi pala, Pepsi pala to, I thought Oscar, sir, I'm sorry. The darling of the crowd winner goes to Team
Pepsi Blitz.
There you go. We have trophy, darling of the crowd, a check, anonymous, we don't know how much it costs. May we call in the Pepsi Blitz team to please come? Pepsi Blitz, lahat po kayo para may collection ng photos. Sir, thank you also Mr. Elmer for our sound system. Pepsi Aquafina. Alright, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3. Mabilisan lang to kasi may game pa kayo. Alright, palakpakan naman dyan. Guys, may mga award pa tayo for sure mananalo. Sino bang pinaka-handsome na team daw dito? Sabi ni Sir Balida, wala. Most disciplined team. Alright, sir, would you do the award?
Alright, and the award goes to ABB Brewers.
And the most disciplined team winner is ABB Brewer! Disiplinado pala kayo. Sir? Trophy given by Pepsi Company, cash, anonymous. Hindi namin alam kung magkano yan. Smile! Halata-halata, di ba? Oo, masunurin sila. ACC? Ay, wala. Kaiser Fast and Furious? CSC Butlers? How about the ABB Brewer? And the winner for the best in banner with the average score of 96.1 is
Pepsi Blitz.
Pepsi Blitz! Alam na talaga.
Alam mo yan, friend!
Alam na talaga. Pwede ba sumama pa picture?
Alam mo na kung saan ka! Alam mo kung saan ka! Meron kang sunod-sunod, baka malata.
Sir Bernard, Edward is waiting for you. I think he brought foods. CSC Butlers kaya? Kaiser Fast and Furious. ABB Brewer. Pepsi Blitz. Ayan. Si Coach masyadong energetic. You know what? This team, maybe before they came, did you drink Pepsi before you came here? Alright. Aquafina, have you drank Aquafina before you came here? Perfect. Kasi yung mga sponsor natin, you have to drink Aquafina and Pepsi, right sir? Yeah. So dito kasi yung manager natin. And now, with the average score of 95.67, the best in uniform, sino kaya? Sir, would you mind to read the best in uniform? Alright, sir, would you mind to read? The best in uniform is ABB Brewers. The ABB Brewer! Mayaman ang brewers. Naka-Nike. Bakit? Saan ka pa? Once again, we would like to thank our official photographer, Shutter Skill, our sound system, Mr. Elmer, the one who used to come with us for the charity events. Yung mga naka-blue, hindi kayo nakikita. Yung sa likod, yung yellow dito, usok na kayo sa kabila yellow para yung blue pumasok. Yan. Kuya, yung blue, upo rin kayo. Okay na, ready na SG? Yung mga judge, sama din tayo.
Judge? Sir, sisi muna.
Alright guys, this is the closing session. Now, wish you all the best of luck. Who won the awards? I'm voting, so no one says I'm biased. I'm voting for Blitz. Okay. But I hope everyone to win this match, inshallah, and be number one. Anyway, all the best of luck. Please play fair, and good luck in your games.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you. There's one team asking me, is there any cash given for the awards, like best in uniform, best in banner? Not coming from the company, but coming from your side.
Yeah, there is actually. There is an award which is minus 100 riyal each for different awards. Okay?
Alright, there you go. Once again, big round of applause.